Welcome to the CTW Tennis Academy in beautiful Naples, Florida. CTW stands for Consistent Tennis Wins, and that's what we are all about here at the Academy. We teach people consistency, whether that's your strokes, your strategies, your mental toughness, your fitness. We cover the whole package that can help you become a better player. And right now, we're offering package deals. We create package deals. We have a beautiful one-bedroom apartment here. It's got a full kitchen, a jacuzzi tub. It's right here on the site. And this is a beautiful setting, very quiet, peaceful, and one of the best spots in Naples. So we warmly invite you. I hope you can come down. Just call me at 239-273-9204. 239-273-9204. And I can create a custom package for you. Our accommodations will accommodate 2 people. So if you have a friend or a spouse that you want to come together, that would be awesome. So I really look forward to seeing you here, and you'll have time to explore Naples. There's all kinds of restaurants and shops and things to do, plenty to do. The beaches are pristine. The beaches are beautiful here. So I look forward to meeting you and helping you with your game. All the best. Take care.